We'd like to extend thanks to our sponsors: Brightwood Architecture Education, Finner and Esler, Klein and Hoffman, Langan, Members First Federal Credit Union, Offit Kermanen, Attorneys at Law, MMP&S, Desmone Architects, University of Pennsylvania, Civil and Environmental Consultants, Inc. This award will be given for contribution to the built environment by a contractor, developer, civil engineer, or other allied professional. It is to honor those professionals who bring our work into reality and who uphold the tenets of design, sustainability, and collaboration. CH&E began as a general contracting and construction company. In 1981, a partnership was formed by three good friends, John Caldwell, Jack Hekles, and Peter Egan. The Lancaster-based company was incorporated in 1985. The early roots of CH&E is grounded in fine woodworking. CH&E maintains a 4,000 square foot architectural millwork shop. CH&E views their hallmark to be fine craftsmanship. These capabilities, along with their dedicated staff, project managers, and on-site superintendents, is what sets them apart.